Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about folic acid, which is also referred to as folate or vitamin B9. We'll talk about functions, food sources and deficiencies of folic acid. So if that's something that interests you, then please keep on watching. About 80% folate present in our diet are polyglutamate, which needs to be converted to monoglutamate, and it is converted by an enzyme called as folate conjugase in the jejunum. One more thing to keep in mind is that folate conjugase is a zinc dependent enzyme. Hence, in zinc deficiency, folate absorption can be impaired. Now moving on to functions, it can help in formation of red blood cell, it helps in synthesis of DNA and RNA, it helps in cell division. Folic acid is utilized in synthesis of nucleic acid, which are important for cell division. It is important for growth, particularly growth of embryo or fetus. It's important for neurological development of fetus, amino acid metabolism. It's important for conversion of homocysteine to methionine. It is essential for synthesis of catecholamines, carotenoids, melatonin and choline. Recommended intake differs based on the different age groups. Food sources are maize, Bengal gram dal whole, cowpea brown, black gram dal whole, cowpea white, field beans white. These are all about 50 micrograms per 100 grams. Field beans black and brown, green gram dal and whole, horse gram whole, lentil whole, brown and yellow. Moth beans, peas that are dry, rajma black, brown and red gram dal and whole, rice bean, soya bean brown and white, agati leaves, amaranth leaves, cabbage, colocasia leaves, fenugreek leaves, gogu leaves, mustard leaves, radish leaves, spinach, tamarind leaves, bitter gourd, drumstick, capsicum, field beans, French beans, jackfruit seeds, ladyfinger, peas that are fresh, mango ripe, papaya ripe, beetroot, coriander leaves, curry leaves, garlic, mint leaves, red chilies, fenugreek seeds, nutmeg, poppy seeds, gingerly seeds that are black and brown, ground nuts, mustard seeds, linseed, niger seed, pista nuts, safflower seeds, sunflower seeds, walnut, paneer, koa, liver and kidney. There are different types of fishes, and almost all fishes, it's very rich in fishes, crabs, lobsters, squids. Deficiency folate is lost during processing and cooking and storage, and especially in Indian style of cooking, 33% of cooking loss is due to the heat. Deficiency can be caused due to poor intestinal absorption, increased demand of folic acid during pregnancy and lactation, due to use of certain medicines. Also, it has serious implications for fetal development, resulting in preterm delivery, low birth weight, fetal growth retardation and spontaneous abortion. Cells that divide rapidly are also affected due to this. Excess is not really seen. So that's all for this video of folic acid. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, then please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Until next time, eat healthy, stay safe and stay happy.